Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Netflix. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we will search for Netflix app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.